There we go. The Gerber Quadrant. That's bamboo scale right there. They call it the Gerber bamboo. Bamboo Quadrant. I was telling my buddy about this. He has a little Rogue Mini. And this is very utility oriented. You can get some good pressure on that braid. Yeah. So yeah, they make them with the regular bamboo. This here is dyed. That's the black bamboo. I've never seen a black bamboo tree. Interesting. And there you have it. Gerber Quadrant. Yep.